Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an easy and simple but yet delicious recipe. It's going to be a chuck roast. Okay, now here's my chuck roast right here. And you're gonna need an onion. This is a large sized onion. I got like 4 to 5 potatoes right here. These are small ones. I have like about 4 or 5. Well, you're gonna need about 3 sticks of celery stalk. Okay. I have some baby carrots right here. I have 2 garlics, cloves right here. I have a bay leaf. I don't need the olive oil. I got some red wine right here. I have some granulated garlic, granulated onion, black pepper, and some sea salt. Okay, and so have some beef broth right here. And you're gonna need to make your gravy. This is why it's so easy. Now I was gonna go ahead and brine mines, and not brine, but braise mines. But today I'm just gonna do a simple recipe for you guys. I'll do that next time. All right, this is just some flour. This is like 2 tablespoons of flour, all purpose. And let's just get into it. So let me go wash this off and put that in the skillet. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. Here's my roast right here. Have my onions already sliced up. Got my garlic sliced up over there. Now we're just gonna go ahead and season this bad boy up. I'm gonna come in here with some salt. Probably like a teaspoon for both sides. All right, we're gonna come in here with some garlic, onion, granulated. This probably be a tablespoon for both sides. Granulated garlic, teaspoon, all right, some black pepper, okay. All right. Now we're gonna take our onions. You're gonna put these in here. It's gonna help keep it moist. I'm only taking like 1 of the half for now, and the other half I'll put in there when it's getting like halfway done. Our garlic. Alright, now I'm gonna come in here with this wine, 1/2 cup. Alright. I'm gonna come in here with this beef broth. Cover this. We need our liquids. Alright, like halfway on the side of the meat. Alright, I'm gonna wrap this up until it's time to put this stuff together. So this is how it looks up close. Alright, I'm gonna cover this up. Make sure you already have your oven preheated at 350. We're gonna cook this bad boy for 2.5 hours. Then the other half an hour we're gonna put our potatoes and all that stuff in. See you guys in a minute. Roast, it's been cooking for 2.5 hours. 2 hours period. That's this. Alright. So as you can see, I still got a little juice left. So what I did here was took that 2 tablespoons of flour, just mixed it up in here. And I'm just gonna pour this in here. We're gonna go with another 45 minutes. And the bay leaf, we're gonna put that in there. I'm gonna chop up these celery, the potatoes, and the rest of the onions and all that stuff, and I'll show you how that looks. I'm just gonna cut them in like little chunk sizes, okay? All right, see you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. Now what I want to do here, because I like black pepper, I'm gonna put some of that on here. We come with a little granulated garlic, just a little bit, guys. That's why I'm giving you a amount. You're just sprinkling a little bit on there. We're cool with the granulated onion. We're gonna take this onion that we have reserved, and I'm gonna dice this one in half. So, I'm just gonna sprinkle that on here as well. Just like so, guys. Just gonna make it roast pop. And the vegetables. Never tried this recipe, I encourage you to try it. It is super delicious. If you don't like onions, don't use no onions. Okay? We might want to dust it with a little salt just to give it, the potatoes a little flavor to it. Just a little bit. That's it. Alright, let me show you that. So that's how that looks. We're going to wrap this back up in some foil and let it cook for 45 minutes. That gravy should thicken up. Alright, see you guys in 45 minutes. Okay guys, I'm finally done with this delicious beef chuck roast. Okay, let me show you that up close. I already sliced it up. I don't know if you can see that up close. Okay, you guys definitely need to try this. Super good. Go ahead and get you guys first piece. Super tender. Alright guys, let's get that piece right there. That tastes super good. And also I have over here some cinnamon rolls, cinnamon and sugar roll right here. And this is dinner for the night. If you like this video, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit this bell. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen. Enjoy.